Today's video is Evil Rocco makes the fish sound at Casey/grounded. It was requested by Aaron the Transport Fan. Man, I really hate Casey. Why? Because he always get me and my friends into trouble for stupid reasons, and I wonder what I should do. I know, I'm going to make a fish sound at Casey, because it caused him a hiccups. Ha 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 ha. Meanwhile at Casey's house, I'm going to watch Cameron's videos. Hey, Evil Rocco, what are you doing here at my house? I got the hiccups. Well, that's what you get for getting me and my friends into trouble for stupid reasons. Evil Rocco, how dare you make a fish sound at me? You know that caused me a hiccups. That's it. Go home right now while I call your normal clone about this. No 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 no. When Evil Rocco got home, my evil clone, how dare you make a fish sound at Casey? You know that caused him a hiccups. That's it. You're grounded for 2 months. Go to your room right now. What? Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.